Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews, and I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher. Now I have had this for about a week. It's the next Crochet Society box. I believe we're now on 31, might be 32. I can't actually remember anymore. So let's get this open and have a look, shall we? Okay, first things first, my box is damaged. It looks like someone's trodden on it or squished it. And this is the box that I'm really looking forward to as well, because I just love the print on it. But there we go. So it is Crochet Society box. I don't remember which number. This is the first one I've had that has been clearly damaged, and it didn't look like there was any damage on the envelope, so yeah. Let's get it open anyway, shall we? Hopefully everything inside's okay. It's really tough to get that open today. So it says yarn is a crocheter's best friend, and we can see that it's actually torn the box here. There's a big dent in it, and that does put a dampener on things because all my other boxes have been okay. So anyway, let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got 2 balls of yarn. I'm going to quickly shift over just a little bit. We've got 2 balls of yarn. This looks like chunky. Hibiscus chunky. So we have Hilo or Hilo, H-I-L-O, which is like a chocolatey colour. And then we have Hawi, H-A-W-I, which is more of a like an off cream colour, like a jammy dodger colour, very proud biscuit colour. We have, oh, what's this? So everything in here is diamond themed or sparkly. I don't know what this is. This feels empty. I can't open it. Oh, it's got like a magnet in there, so that's for like putting needles in, so it stays in place, like a little storage box. So that's quite cute in the diamond shape. We have got a diamond stitch marker. That's really cute, and it keeps the colours of the yarn as well. We then have one of these gauges. So this is for checking your hook size, I believe. It's got numbers all the way around. It's really really not possible to film or photograph this because it's so sparkly. So that's another one to add to our little key ring that's got other ones on it. We then have a hook 6.5 in tonal stripes. What is this? Like a mini water bottle with a little heart on it. It does have like a little stopper here. I think it's meant to be like a hand warmer, or I don't know. We'll have a look at the book, see what that's for. Oh, the top's like a little bunny stopper. Let's take that back out. It's got like a little bunny rabbit head. That's quite sweet. So let's have a look at the book. I think that's everything out of the box. Let's have a look at what's in the book for this month. So first things first, we've got a picture of one of the patterns, which is a hat pattern with this big pom-pom on the end. We did get a pom-pom on one of the previous boxes as well. Okay, so it says, welcome to your coffee and cream Crochet Society box. Oh, okay. Coffee and cream colours. Yeah, that makes sense now. So it says, take a break with this month's fabulous box. This box has been designed with your next coffee break in mind, so make sure you make time to really enjoy it and get the most out of every second of you time. Okay, so we have a coffee bean cushion We have coffee and cream beanie hat. And then we have hot water bottle. Keep toasty with a beautiful hot water bottle creation. Which I think is for that hot water bottle. So it is a hot water bottle. It's a little bottle. We then have Tea and Chat with Alison Holloway. And we've had patterns from her before in the past. There's Cozy Crochet Patterns. What's in Your Box, Super Softies, and Crochet on the High Street. So we have Tea and Chat with Alison Holloway. So she is an amigurumi artist. So there's lots of things there. She does lots of nice little, so there's some stranded patterns there as well. And our first pattern is the Coffee Bean Cushion by Marjan Gouda, who is Hobby Dingen on Instagram. It's got this like little popcorn stitch going on to show the little coffee beans. And the back is striped in the opposite colours, so you are using both quite a lot. We then have 8 free cozy crochet patterns. So these are all free. So these are on craftworld.com. So it'd be nice to have a look at those. And then we've got everything in your box. So we've got the 2 balls of yarn. We've got, it says warm up your hands for your crochet session with this adorable mini hot water bottle. So it is a little mini hot water bottle. We've then got the Notions case, which has got the magnet in. It is a hook gauge. The little disc, the square acrylic is a gauge for testing hook sizes. And then obviously we've got our stitch marker and hook. So it's everything for our box. And then we've got Super Softies. So these are different types of chunky yarn. We've got Marie Wool, that's a new one, that's from We Are Knitters. There's Rico Essentials Mega Merino, Jamesy Brett Chunky, West Yorkshire Spinner Retreat, we've had that before as well. Wall and the Gang Al Pacino, and Cascade in Superwash. So we've got different options for chunky yarns. So the beanie is coffee and cream beanie. This is by Zoe Potrac. We've had lots of patterns by Zoe before. The filet crochet heart blanket that I did last year was also from Zoe Potrac. There is Crochet on the High Street section in here. So talking about different products that are on the high street. It says crochet your worth as well. So I think it's talking about the like how much time goes into stuff. And then we've got a hot water bottle crochet cover by Alison Holloway, who is Alison Holloway _design on Instagram. So there are 2, one for the mini one and one for a normal size hot water bottle as well. So in the back we've got pictures of people's makes, and as I mentioned earlier about the filet heart blanket, there are 4 in this page. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't think mine will show up because there's so many of this blanket. But yeah, and also there's some really nice mandalas here as well, which I think is the doily pattern. Doily mandala. We've got people using leftover yarn from the advent to make cushion covers, and I love this blanket. That was the one that looked like little ice creams. I can't remember which box it's from though. Yeah, I can't remember. But that's really good. I think they've used their own yarn as well to create the rainbow, which is really nice. So yeah. And then next month we've got this one. So this one kind of reminds me of like tarot cards, with all the different symbols. And it's another one of the like the plain, is it called craft paper? Like it's just a plain box as opposed to a printed box. Which is quite nice. So it might be like an eco-friendly type one as well. We shall see. That is our box for this month. I'm not actually sure about this box. I was really excited because of the print on the outside. So I expected more like diamond related patterns, and there just aren't any. and I don't drink coffee either, so it doesn't really relate to me as such. But that's not to say that actually the patterns can't be done in other colours. So for example, the coffee bean cushion, I think I would probably do with a neutral background. We do each row in a different colour and create a rainbow. I think that would be quite nice. So there are ways of using the patterns without using the yarn that came in the box. You can do your own colourways. They're not entirely just for this yarn, obviously. You can do them in whatever yarn you want. So that's always really nice as well. But yeah, I think this is a cute idea though, having a little mini hot water bottle to keep your hands nice and warm. So that will come in handy because my hands do get quite cold. And that little case as well. I'm always losing my needle. Yeah, so that will definitely be going in there. But yeah, so that is this month's box. And as always, I'll put the details down below so you can have a look at the subscription yourself if you want to subscribe. There are other options out there as well. So you have the Curate box, which is solely crochet 2. There's a knit crate box. There is a paper gang box. There are geeky boxes. There are all different varieties of subscription boxes out there if you wanted something different. But yeah, so that is this month's box generally. I'm really disappointed with the fact that the box is damaged. I did share my express my worries about using Hermes. Yeah, but nothing I can do about that now. So that is this month's box. Thank you for watching. It's not been, I don't feel like I've been really excited about this one because of the damage, but anyway, I hope it gives you some ideas as to what is included in these boxes, and you never know, it could be for you, but it's not quite for me. And I've been making donuts recently, so actually the yarn could end up being donuts. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next month for next month's box. Take care. Bye.